Have you all used black soap before? Let me know under the comment section. So I have here African black soap, and I got 2 of that, and I have here my asanatepapaya and my 2 doves, and I have here my pure honey, lime and lemon, and I grated all the soap, and this is how it looks like. I want the texture to look like this, and the other one too. So I have here my white ground powder and brown sugar. I extracted the lime and lemon, and I got this juice. And I have here my yogurt, baby oil, honey and coconut oil. Guys, let me tell you a story. When I was in Ghana, I used to love black soap a lot, and when you see my skin tone, oh my god, I was very I was glowing, very beautiful. My skin was flawless, no pimples, nothing. So these soaps, they are very good when you use them because they are all natural. And sometimes when you get your hand in a Ghana white soap too, that's also good. Ghana black soap, because that one you can mix it with the black soap, and that's it. So here I pour everything inside this bucket, use my wooden stick to turn them. So here I'm adding my brown sugar and a little bit, not too much, so it depends on you, the person. So here I'm adding my grind rice or powdered rice to it. My boy was just confused, standing there watching me. What is mommy doing today? Today mommy is doing different thing. This is mommy soap. This is how mommy used to use, like this is how mommy used to make her own soap and bath, and I was very flawless. Don't know, ask your daddy. So here I was using my hand because I use my hand a lot. I prefer using my hand in doing most of my things. So here I'm adding ground or powdered cinnamon and also turmeric. I do not have enough of turmeric, it's paying me a lot, but the lemon juice will substitute it or will just add up to what I wanted. So I mix everything with my hand. When you are doing, make sure you wear gloves. Wear gloves because the soap, especially when you have finished bathing and you are doing this, you don't want to waste the soap or something like that. So here I added my liquid. It's time for me to add my liquid to it. So I added all the liquid, and this is how the soap looks like. Guys, when you see the soap, you think that's all. Keep on watching and you see the end result. So this, I'm still mashing it because some were not well mashed, so I use my hand to mash it well. And if you have that mixer, you can just do it, but me, I don't have those things in my kitchen, so I use what I have by using my hand. And in fact, this soap has been on my husband's neck, always reminding me, hey, you are saying that nowadays your skin, you don't see it well, why not do your black soap, why not do your black soap? Finally we went to like Walmart to get these containers because I wanted to get these containers before I can make my soap. He got me the ingredient long time, but because of the containers that I was not having, because I need to store them. So this is the end result of it. I kept it 24 hours, so the next day this is how the soap looks like. You see how it is? So please give it a try and you will love it. You will love your skin.